learn about the fire alarm system project. First, we'll go and open the Chrome and search for Tinkercad. Tinkercad on this first link. Here we have to create the circuit for our project. For the circuit, we need the components. First, we need one Arduino. We need small breadboard. We need piezo. We need one LED, one resistor, then gas sensor, then temperature sensor, this one, and one more resistor. Now we'll connect this. First we'll connect this LED. One terminal to the resistor and another terminal to the ground of Arduino, and the resistor another terminal will connect it to the 13 pin of Arduino. After that, one positive terminal of piezo will connected to the D7 of Arduino. Also change the color of the wire. Then we place this gas sensor on Arduino like this. After that, we take one resistor and put one terminal of the resistor to this minus rail and another on this side. Now this is the temperature sensor we'll put on this. Okay. Now the 5 volt will connect it to the positive rail of the breadboard, and ground wire will connect it to the negative of the breadboard like this. Okay. Now I am connecting this negative to this negative, so it will considered as the ground. Now same for 5 volt. If I connect this positive to this positive, then this considered as 5 volt. Okay. Now we have to connect this all the terminals of the gas sensor. This gas sensor have 6 terminals. Now we'll connect one by one. Now B1 is connected to directly volt. All three one side of gas sensor will connected to the power. Now A1 is connected to the A0. Okay. To the A0. Okay. We'll give this a red color, and this one is so we can easily identify the connections. Now this middle one will connect it to the ground one. Okay. And this last is automatic connected to this resistor, and resistor is connected to this ground. Okay. Now we'll go to this temperature sensor. Now one first terminal is go to this power. Okay. Now second is, now this will go to the ground. This sensor, temperature sensor, have 3 terminal. One is power, last one is ground, and middle is V out. So this will connected to the analog one, that is A1 of Arduino like this, directly connected like this. Okay. You can take it like this, so it will be more clear for you. Last is there. This will connect it to ground. Okay. Now all these are about ground. Now we'll go to the code part. Code. We'll select the text. Continue. First one, float temp. These are the code that we are going to use for our project. Now we'll give the pin mode. First is analog A0, which is the input. Okay. Now another pin mode is A1. After that LED, and then piezo output. Okay. I'm copying this so it will take less time, right? This is A1. Is also input. After that LED, which is going to our output. Okay. After that piezo, which is also output for our project. Then serial dot begin at 9600. We'll close the bracket. Now for the repetition of the code or process, we need loop. Okay, vout is equals to analog read A1. We'll read the output of A1. Then vout 1 will be going to read the vout slash 1023. Another if else statement we need. This is for gas sensor. And above one is for temperature. Digital write, here we are going to use piezo is high. Else digital write of piezo is low. Now the serial print. Now serial print second will like this. In this will print the temperature. Here will gas sensor. Again this will empty. And this is for gas sensor. Now we'll print the print line. This is the next line. Last we'll close the braces. This is all the code. Now first I will explain the code. Here the temp is stores the temperature value, V out raw ADC value from the temperature sensor, and V out 1 is the converted voltage. Okay, so LED 13 is LED connected to the digital pin 13. This indicates that this is gas sensor that stores the gas sensor reading. Piezo 7, piezo is equals to 7. It means buzzer connected to the pin 7. Now this setup, A0 is a gas sensor input, right? And A1 temperature sensor input. LED and piezo is the output devices. LED and piezo are the output devices. Serial monitor started at 9600 baud rate. Okay. Now the loop. Analog read A1 reads the value from 0 to 1023 and it's converted to the millivolts. This matches the TMP36 sensor characteristics. Now the reading gas sensor reads the gas concentration level and higher value is equals to more gas. Now here the if else statements. If the temperature is greater than equals to 80 degrees Celsius, then the LED on, else the LED will off. And in the gas condition, the gas detect above the safe level, buzzer, then the buzzer sounds. In the serial, display the live sensor reading every 1 second. This is for the serial concept. That we can simply say is that temperature sensor monitors the heat and gas sensor detects the leakage. LED warns for the high temperature and buzzer alert for gas leakage. Arduino controls it everything. This is the simple workflow. Now we'll go for simulation. As you can hear, if I go to this temperature sensor, it goes out, right? If I make the temperature move like this, the light is not burning. Okay, the LED is off. When I increase the temperature like this, the light turns on. So this is the simple fire alarm system. Thank you.